Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to start doing something new in regards to our daily activities with the Microsoft Word. We're going to actually start incorporating startups into the activity. So again, you're going to go into Edmodo like you already are. You're going to see my post, and the first one here says, "Welcome back. Hope you all had a great weekend." And then it starts talking about the startup activity that we're going to be doing. So it's not going to be too difficult. It's going to be something pretty simple. So today what you're going to be doing for your startup is you're going to be either using Google or Bing to search Albert Einstein, and then in a Word document you're going to list 3 interesting facts that you found out. So nothing too difficult. There's 3 sentences, statements about Albert Einstein that you just found out using Google or Bing. The choice is up to you. It doesn't really matter. But that's going to be the first thing that we're going to start doing when coming into class from now on, is have some sort of startup that you're going to save into your H drive. Now, just to make sure we can remember how to create a folder and save files to our H drive, I'm going to walk you guys through that step one more time, and hopefully we got this down by now, but if not, this is what we got to do. So you're going to go ahead and open up your Microsoft Word 2013, click on Blank Document, and then immediately I want you to go to File, Save As, and then remember, you use your H drive. This is my EDU drive. Same kind of thing, just for teachers and students. I need you to create a new folder. Right up here up top, you can see the new folder. You're going to click on that, and this one's going to be called Startups. (2014-2015). And this startup, how I want you to do is startup, the date, and the person or the topic. So you're going to click on that, click Save. Again, you'll see up here that it's changed. Very top, startup, 9/1/14, and then your Word document. So all you have to do is Google or Bing Albert Einstein, 3 interesting facts about him. And then you don't have to put your name or nothing like that. Just simply write Albert Einstein invented something. Whatever it may be. So that's what you're going to be working on for the first 5 to 6 minutes when you come into class every day. Remember to constantly save your work as you are working, because just in case the computer crashes or freezes, at least your work will be saved. Again, it's that purple little disc up here, top left, and it's click Save. When submitting your startups, I'm going to collect them at the end of the week. So on Friday, I'll have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday startups that you'll submit to me in an assignment that I post in Edmodo. So just for now, make sure you're saving them to your H drive so you have them when you have to turn them in on Friday. So we finished up the startup. That was the first post right there. Next one. Once completed with your startup, please move on to the Microsoft Word lesson, creating and opening documents. The link is attached below. You will then create a one-pager to include the following. Same kind of thing we did with the first assignment, you're going to kind of do with this one. So you're going to have your name, date, period, grade level. The title is going to be creating documents. Again, this is what you're going to want to save your document as, creating documents. Vocabulary template. I know we had some confusion with vocab last week. So with vocab, you can either define the word right there next to template, or you can simply define the vocab word in your summary. That choice is up to you. Again, you can define it right next to the word template, or you can define it in your summary. Then you're going to answer a question. What is the compatibility mode? Why might you want to pin a folder to the Backstage view in Microsoft Word? And then your summary, 4 to 5 sentences explaining what you learned from the lesson and how you could use it when creating a future Word assignments. Again, I put the link for the GCF Learn right here in the Edmodo post, and it brings you right to the spot. Again, I want you to watch this video over here to the right. It will walk you through what you're going to be reading about. This one, again, introduction to create a new blank document, talks about that, brings up your Backstage view again, hopefully remember that, explains how to go through your computer looking for folders, creating folders, kind of like I just showed you at the beginning, but again with Microsoft Word, to pin a document. So right there is probably the answer to your question. Moving on, number 2, using templates. Again, you're going to have to use this for your vocab word, so that's going to have to be included. Compatibility mode. Again, please read about this. It talks about the old word compared to the new word. And then finally, it brings you here, but we don't have to do this challenge. So you only have 3 pages to worry about today. It is very, very important that you guys are going through, reading the information, and figuring out how to use Microsoft Word. So please take the time to do that as you're going through the assignment. So most of you are already going to have a Word document opened because of your startup from this morning. So then to get a new one, simply go to File, New, again, blank document. Right off the bat, I immediately want you to save as, go to your H drive. Again, I have a lot more than you will. This is going to be Microsoft Word, I believe it is templates. And that's it. Again, find your folder. You should have a GCF Learn folder or Notes in One Pages, I'm sorry. There it is. Save it. Name is changed and you'll be set. It might not be templates, I forget what I asked you to put it as. I might have said, let's look back in Edmodo just to make sure. We're going to save it as, creating and opening documents. That's what I want you to save it as. Creating and opening documents. That's your save as, or just creating documents, it's up to you. So if you have to change that, it's pretty simple. Save as. Creating and opening documents. There you go. Just make sure you put it in your correct folder, Notes in One Pagers, and then we're good. So you have to rename it. It's pretty simple just to do that, just like that. So your one page is going to be set up the same way you had it last week. You're going to have your name, period, grade, date, and then your title, creating documents. Don't forget, I'm going to have you add a picture. Your choice. This can be whatever you want as long as it's appropriate this time. So it doesn't have to be Word. It can be whatever you want as a picture. Vocabulary. You have one word template. Again, you can define the word right here. A template is, or you can define it in your summary. Then you can have one question to answer. What is compatibility mode? Why might you want to pin a folder to the backstage view in Microsoft Word? And then again, you're going to have a summary, 4 to 5 sentences. Last week we had some issues with you guys with the assignment turned in, not having 4 to 5 sentences and not including a picture. So please make sure you put a picture in your assignment and include the summary. If you need any help with this, please raise your hand. I'll come around and help you guys. But a lot of you lost some points last week for not doing these 2 things. Again, good luck with your assignment. Once it's submitted in Edmodo, you may go ahead and start working on Typing Web, but I'm guessing this will take you guys most of the hour today. Typing Web will not be due until tomorrow after you leave. So again, work on this today, Typing Web tomorrow. Those next 3 assignments will be due. But again, we'll get to that tomorrow, and you can read it on Edmodo if you get there. All right, good luck. See you guys later.